Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must start with both Jlab Earbuds charged and nearby so you don't get interrupted. Once charged, take them from the case and immediately put them into their factory pairing mode by holding the touch or physical button for about 3-5 seconds. You'll see a flashing LED indicating they're discoverable. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth menu is open while the lights flash, because you want to tap the device name the moment it appears. This avoids conflicts with previously paired gadgets. After the earbuds are discoverable, select the primary Jlab entry in your device's Bluetooth list. This usually pairs the left or right master depending on model. You'll hear a tone or see a connected status that establishes the link for audio and controls. Once the primary is connected, the secondary will auto-sync. If it doesn't, put the secondary into pairing by tapping its button briefly and watch for a join tone. Make sure to accept any permission prompts so media and calls work properly. Finish by testing playback and the mic to confirm both earbuds work in stereo. If you hear only one side or controls act up, put earbuds back in the case and hold both buttons for 10 seconds to force a reset. Then repeat the pairing flow from the start. One key troubleshooting tip: forget the Jlab entry on your phone before retrying. Stale pairings often block proper master/secondary negotiation, so clearing the device list usually fixes stubborn connect problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.